Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. I was at the shop last weekend and this PakSafe Vibe 100 pouch caught my eye. What caught my eye is not the zip locking mechanism. Instead, what I like most about this pouch is this hook strap on the side. Ideas start popping into my head. I can hook my favorite carabiner hooks and use it to hang this pouch on my wall of bags collection. If you have watched my other videos, you would have known I'm someone who loves carabiner hooks on my tech carrying bags collection. This PakSafe Vibe 100 pouch that we are looking at today has a very minimalistic two compartments design. The main compartment has a tablet pouch and is collapsible at the bottom. The main compartment can be as flat and compact, or expand pretty wide if we need to throw in a few more items, like a water bottle or a spare t-shirt. Impressively, the bottom is about 9 cm wide when expanded. And at the front of the main compartment, there is this RFID protected pocket with Velcro and a pull tab. I will demonstrate throwing in a wallet in this pocket later. The front compartment has a nice small opening for us to throw in our phone or travel card or office swipe card. There is also this keychain hook on the closing end of the front compartment zip. Okay, now let's take a look at the locking mechanism, which is what PakSafe is all about. The dual zips on the main compartment have a unique joining design, where they can slide into each other. We basically place all the zippers into the locking mechanism hook like this and latch the lock. The latch on this Vibe 100 is really easy to latch and it looks pretty neat. There is also this extra stopper preventing the latch from opening. Any thieves who don't know how this stopper works will take them some time to figure out how to unlock the pouch. And of course, for added security, we can even add a padlock if we choose to do so. There is a hole underneath the locking latch for us to install a padlock. And it's quite easy to unlock and release everything once we get a hang of it. By the way, I like making videos with close-up detailed shots of the tech gear I use. If you like video like this, remember to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's move on to the strap buckle. PakSafe thought about everything to make this bag very secure. They even redesigned the buckle without compromising the ease of use. To release the latch buckle, we just turn the knob on top to the unlock position, press the knob and slide the buckle upwards. For added security, once again, this is a hole for a padlock. We can use a padlock after the buckle is inserted, so it cannot be unbuckled. This buckle mechanism works with this small little catch, which will retract and release the buckle when pressed. There is also a groove which secures the knob button on top. And this is the hole the catch will latch on. There you go. Now, let's take a look at the strap. This slash guard strap, as PakSafe calls it, has two reinforced steel wires built into the strap to prevent people from cutting the strap easily. Even with those two reinforced steel wires, the strap adjustment is still surprisingly easy to adjust. And then there are these two strap loops to hold the tail end of the strap neatly in place. Finally, this is the best part of the pouch I like the most. This handle hooks, or whatever you want to call this, is sewed very well onto the main structure of the bag. We can add a carabiner hook to it and use it to hang this pouch or hook on the carrying water bottle or any items of that sort. I'll show how to use this handle hook strap when I make another video about what I carry in this carrying pouch. Okay, now let's try to throw in some daily items into the pouch. PakSafe says this Vibe 100 can only fit a 7-inch tablet, but I managed to squeeze in my 8-inch Samsung Galaxy Tab A tablet. Here are the dimensions of my tablet and the model number. This Vibe 100 model comes in 3 colors. I like this coyote color the best. Unlike the jet black and the camel blue colors, this coyote color not only looks good, but is also built with environmentally friendly PET materials for sustainability. Now PET stands for poly... I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. It just means very environmentally friendly plastic that can be easily recycled. It feels good to know we are doing a part for the environment too. I'm gonna start using this PakSafe Vibe 100 pouch, and will let all of you know how good this pouch is in the next few videos to come. I intend to do another What's in my tech carrying bag video soon. If you like tech gears and carrying bags video like this, remember to subscribe to my channel. My channel has been progressively growing. A very big thank you to all of you who have subscribed. Okay, that's it for this one. So I'll see you in the next video.